Y'all, I look like my cousins could be Kendra and Kelsey. Just call me Glam Twin number 3. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to be using some clip-ins, but not just any old clip-ins, some affordable, praise God, clip-ins. Okay, first things first, if you are new here,
first off, welcome.
My old time stubbies, congregation, rain gang, happy curl gang, welcome back for another video. Real quick, we just gonna keep it all the way real, okay? And mom, y'all know I don't usually wear other people's hair. Oh my God. I don't. And the reason for that is I'm just really stingy with my money. You know what I mean? However, okay, there are times where I will put on a wig, okay? I will put in some clip-ins, okay? Y'all know, here and there, here and there. However, CurlsCurls reached out and they were like, sis, you need some affordable clip-ins. Okay, how about you get some affordable clip-ins and we sponsor this video? Girl, you get a coin for that.
I like it. All right.
So we thank God on today. That being said, it don't matter if it's sponsored or not. You know what I'm saying? I'm still gonna be honest with you guys and tell you guys what I think, what I feel, but I was down to do this video because of the price of the clip-ins, okay? Let me just run it down for you. So you will receive your clip-ins in this cute little satin orange bag with the logo of the company and brand name on the orange bag, which is CurlsCurls. Then in there you will get your clip-ins, okay? And mom, of course you have different textures to choose from very kinky hair to a looser texture. I chose the naturally curly because I feel like once I manipulate this, it will match my texture once all of my hair has been styled. So in the hair type, that's kind of like a 3B, 3C. I consider myself a 3C. I wanted to go for the 20 inches. Now you do receive about 30% shrinkage with these. You know, shrinkage happens with curly hair. It's gonna happen with somebody else's curly hair, okay? This is considered one bundle. So this should be enough to cover your entire head, which I like about this company. They make sure that you get about 10 pieces to be able to wear like a full head of clip-ins. 100% virgin hair, and it's starting y'all at $89. And then we're gonna thank God on today because if you use my code HAPPYCURL, you'll get $5 off. Okay, God just being a blessing business. He just being a blessing business. That's what he be doing. He just be in it. So in this video, we're gonna go ahead and take out one of my favorite gels, which is the the protein brown gel, super protein gel actually. Some of y'all were trying to tell me in the comment section, oh, you know, girl, brown gel don't work all over your head. This one does. I tried to respond to everybody who said that. I'm like, sis, wet line may have not worked, but this brown gel will get you right, okay? I'm gonna take one of my favorite leave-ins, which is the Bioterra leave-in Silky Milk. You guys have seen me say this in a few videos. It's one of my favorites. So I'm gonna take a good amount. Y'all know how I do. So I'm gonna go ahead and begin the whole clip-in installation, okay? It's pretty much standard like any clip-in set that you would receive. However, this is supposed to be for your full entire head. So I like to go ahead and start in the back of my hair. Now you can go ahead and wash these prior. You can go ahead and co-wash it. You can do what you want to do. However, for Raina, me, she, her, I don't, okay? So, because I only use clip-ins for like special occasions. My birthday is this Sunday, so you know, I'm just practicing, you know. All my Aries babies stands up, you know, Aries gang, 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 with no product. It looks very, very similar to my own hair texture. Okay, CurlsCurls. Is some shedding. So I got about this much shedding just from that one piece. I'm gonna go ahead and take the protein gel. You can use whatever product you want. I like to use the same products on my hair with the clip-ins. Now, if your hair doesn't like protein, sis, don't you dare do it. Don't you do it. This 20-inch is gonna have me acting up. Do you hear me? Let's continue. And I also like to take my own hair and then just kind of brush it in with the actual hair. And that just helps it to blend better, especially when it dries. Okay. And as you can see, this texture looks exactly like my texture. Woo! It's gonna cut up. Y'all don't even know. Y'all don't know. Y'all not ready for this. So now, since this is in the middle of my head, I'm gonna take one of the longer pieces that has 5 clips on it. Y'all, I look like my cousins could be Kendra and Kelsey. Just call me Glam Twin number 3. Typically, I never use all the clip-ins, but you definitely can. I'm gonna do a side part, and I want more of a layered look when it dries. And like I said, I take my diamond brush and I try to brush it in with the hair that isn't mine. Hey, Mom. Then I'm gonna really go ahead and play on my baby hairs and my adolescents. Amen. Get my little swoops going. So I'm gonna have it go behind the ear. Look at that. Y'all can't tell me this hair didn't grow from my scalp. Listen, y'all can't tell me nothing. Like you can't. No. Listen, somebody get Kelsey and Kendra on the line. I need to let them know that they may have a cousin. Okay, they might have a cousin that looks like me. I'm just, you know.
Alexa, play Live by Involved.
So I'm gonna go ahead and make me something to eat. Amen. And so I'm gonna come back with my hair dry. I'm really gonna try to air dry. I usually like the results when I air dry with clip-ins. So we shall see. So far, I am not upset. Okay, it looks natural. Come through. Okay, come through. Okay, y'all. So this is pretty much the final product. Not completely dry. But for the most part, I would say it's like 85% dry. It's mainly my hair that isn't really dry, but y'all, like, I just need a good shape. Okay. If you are a first time clip-in wearer, the key is to definitely shape it, okay? And then when you take it out, to save those pieces so you know exactly where they go when you put them back in. This is actually comfortable enough for me to sleep in, but I have a feeling my hair would be jacked up if I didn't put it in a pineapple, and I don't think I could do a pineapple with the clip-ins in my hair. My actual hair and the clip-in hair is not crunchy at all. I'm gonna play around with it. I don't know, I feel like I'm channeling like Kelsey and Kendra again, you know, especially after it's dried. You know, I feel like, you know, I should be somebody's cousin, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know, I feel like it's like Kendra, Kelsey, and Kana. You know what I mean? I don't know, just the 3 Ks, you know.
Alexa, play Live by Involved.
I don't know, but yeah, so I'm loving it. The only thing that I would say that you might want to be aware of is the fact that it does shed. It doesn't shed like crazy, but you will get some shedding, so you definitely want to angle the brush so that it's vertical when doing your detangling. That's what I found works really well for me. So I was gonna be very clear that with all of the brands and companies that I've tried that have clip-ins, all the hair shed. The fact that these are really affordable, I'm here for it. I'm here for it. I'm here. Amen. This is how it's looking in the back. I'll leave all the information down below for you guys to check out. Thank you so much, CurlsCurls.com, for sponsoring this video. Use the code if you're interested. And yeah, man, yes, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was entertaining, funny, you learned something, you may be interested in buying some clip-ins for yourself, your mama, your auntie, the usher board, I don't know. And I'll see y'all in my next video, okay? All right, adios.